What if the pain in your knees could melt away not with surgery or drugs, but with a simple drink you already have in your kitchen? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science says otherwise. Welcome to Golden Health Now, where we bring you real science-backed solutions for a healthier, more active life after 60. If you're struggling with knee pain, stiffness, or that cracking sound every time you stand up, you're not alone. Of people over 60 suffer from weakened cartilage, making every step feel heavier and more painful. But what if I told you there are natural, effective ways to rebuild and protect your knee cartilage, starting with what you drink every day? In this video, you'll discover the best drink that supports cartilage repair, the 7 key nutrients and compounds your knees are begging for, daily routines and smart habits that doctors often forget to mention, and most importantly, to stay mobile, strong, and pain-free without surgery. Stick with us till the end. Because if you skip this advice, you might be unknowingly making your knee problems worse every single day. Ready? Let's get into it. What is knee cartilage, and why does it break down? Let's start with the basics. Your knee cartilage is the smooth, rubbery tissue that cushions the bones in your joint. Think of it like shock absorbers in a current, helps your knee move freely, without bone-in-bone grinding. But after 50 or 60, things change. Cartilage begins to thin, dry out, and lose elasticity. Why? Because your body slows down its natural production of collagen and joint fluid. Other factors like years of wear and tear, poor diet, inflammation, and even dehydration all speed up cartilage damage. Did you know cartilage has no blood supply of its own, which means it heals very slowly? That's why injuries or degeneration can linger for years. Lest you help your body do the repair work, so how do we support cartilage repair naturally? It starts with what you drink. Let's look at the first miracle liquid that science is finally giving the respect it deserves. Bone broth, nature's collagen, elixirif. There's one drink that your knees absolutely love. It's bone broth. Yes, the same slow-cooked broth your grandmother may have made is now being hailed by health experts and orthopedic doctors. Why? Because bone broth is loaded with collagen, gelatin, glycine, and prolenitherol materials your body needs to rebuild joint tissue. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who consumed collagen-rich drinks like bone broth had less joint pain and improved mobility within weeks. Here's what happens when you sip on warm bone broth regularly. It nourishes cartilage with amino acids, helps reduce inflammation in your joints, lubricates the knee for smoother movement, and boosts your body's natural collagen production. Pro tip: make your own bone broth at home using beef or chicken bones. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to extract minerals, and simmer for at least 8 hours. Drink 1 warm cup a day. And if you're vegetarian, don't worry, we'll cover options for you too in a few minutes. The hidden power of collagen peptides. Now, maybe you don't like the taste of bone broth. That's okay. You can still get the same cartilage repairing benefits in another form. Collagen peptides. These are powdered, tasteless supplements made from hydrolyzed collagen, easy to mix into water, smoothies, or even your morning tea. But does it actually work? In a 24-week study from Penn State University, athletes who took collagen supplements experienced significant improvements in joint comfort and mobility compared to those who didn't. And here's the best part for you: are easier to absorb and more bioavailable than regular dietary collagen. That means your knees get help faster. Just 10 grams a day can make a difference. Golden tip: look for collagen peptides with added vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C is essential for collagen formation, and without it, your body can't properly use the collagen you ingest. The turmeric tonic, your anti-inflammation shieldlet. Talk about inflammation, the silent destroyer of your joints. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that break down cartilage faster. This is especially dangerous after 60, when your cartilage is already fragile, but one golden spice has been shown to calm inflammation at the root. Turmeric. In a 2014 study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, turmeric extract was found to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing knee pain without the harsh side effects. So, how can you turn this into a powerful drink? Here's the recipe for a simple turmeric tonic. 1 cup of warm water or almond milk. 1/2 TSP turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, boosts absorption by 2000%. Optional: Add ginger or honey for flavor and extra benefits. Drink this once a day, preferably in the morning. The curcumin in turmeric fights inflammation, supports joint mobility, and protects cartilage from oxidative damage. Did you know? Oxidative stress speeds up cartilage aging. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that help reverse that damage. Pomegranate juice, nature's cartilage protector. It's sweet, tart, and surprisingly powerful. Pomegranate juice isn't just good for your heart, it's been found to actually slow cartilage damage and support joint health. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that pomegranate extract inhibits enzymes that break down cartilage in people with osteoarthritis. It also contains polyphenols, which reduce inflammation, block cartilage-degrading chemicals, support collagen production, and increase antioxidant defenses. How to drink it? Choose 100% pure pomegranate juice, without added sugar. Start with a small glass, about 4 to 6 oz per day. Drink it with a meal. Bonus tip: pomegranate also helps reduce oxidative stress in your whole body, not just your joints. That means it's anti-aging in more ways than one. The collagen killer you must avoid. Before we go further, we need to talk about a hidden enemy that may be undoing all your efforts to heal your knees, and that's sugar. Too much refined sugar triggers inflammation, increases joint stiffness, and worst of all, creates advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which break down collagen and cartilage. That means even if you're drinking all the right things, too much sugar could be silently destroying your progress. You avoid sugary sodas, packaged juices, candy and baked goods, and yes, even some flavored health drinks instead. Switch to infused water, cucumber, lemon, mint, unsweetened herbal teas, natural anti-inflammatory drinks, like ginger water or golden milk. Think about it. Every time you cut out sugar, you're giving your joints a fighting chance to heal. Vitamin C water, the collagen booster you need daily. You'd probably think of vitamin C for colds, but did you know it's essential for rebuilding knee cartilage? Here's why. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, the protein that gives cartilage its strength and elasticity. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't make or repair collagen. In one study published in the journal Osteoarthritis and Cartilage, researchers found that people with higher vitamin C intake had significantly less cartilage loss over time. So how do you get more of it daily? Try this easy vitamin C infused water. Slice up fresh orange, lemon, and kiwi. Add to 1 liter water bottle. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Drink throughout the day. Drink hydrates you and delivers a steady boost of vitamin C. Tip: always drink vitamin C fresh. Don't let it sit overnight or you lose its potency. Did you know your cartilage is made of 65% water? Staying hydrated with vitamin-rich water makes a huge difference. But we're not done yet. Let's explore one nutrient that works like joint lubrication in a glass. Omega-3 smoothie. Lubricate and protect your joints. Let's talk about joint lubrication. As we age, the synovial fluid in your joints decreases. That's the slippery substance that keeps your knees moving without pain. Enter omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and may even slow cartilage breakdown, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. People with higher omega-3 levels had less joint pain and better mobility. But fish oil isn't the only way. Try this delicious omega-3 smoothie instead. 1 cup almond milk, 1 TBSP ground flax seeds or chia seeds, 1/2 avocado, great source of healthy fat, 1/2 banana, handful of spinach blend, and enjoy. Not only is this smoothie joint friendly, it's anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and gut supportive too. Pro tip: add a few walnuts on top for an extra omega-3 kick. Coming up next, we'll talk about a forgotten mineral that helps your body absorb calcium and rebuild damaged joints. Magnesium-rich drink, the joint relaxer if you're over 60. Chances are you're magnesium-deficient, and that's bad news for your joints. Magnesium helps regulate calcium in the bones and supports cartilage repair. It also relaxes muscles around the joints, reducing pain and stiffness. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows magnesium plays a direct role in bone density and cartilage maintenance. Here's a powerful magnesium-rich drink. You can make 1 cup coconut water, natural magnesium, juice of half a lemon, pinch of Himalayan pink salt optional. Add a splash of aloe vera juice. Drink this at night for calming, joint-soothing benefits. Did you know low magnesium levels are linked to higher rates of osteoarthritis and muscle cramps? Hibiscus tea, nature's joint detox. Most people think of hibiscus tea as a pretty red drink for high blood pressure. But this floral tea is also a natural joint detoxifier. Why? Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of cartilage damage. A 2014 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that hibiscus extract helped protect cartilage from degeneration. To make a powerful joint-cleansing hibiscus tea, 1 tsp dried hibiscus petals, or hibiscus tea bag, 1 cup hot water, steep for 5 to 7 minutes, add a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C. Drink this 2 to 3 times per week for gentle detox and anti-aging benefits. Bonus, it also supports kidney and liver health organs, involved in clearing toxins that affect your joints. If you've made it this far, your knees, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Comment below, which drink will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips for strong joints, flexible movement, and vibrant living after 50. Your knees are the foundation of your freedom. You don't need surgery to feel better. You just need to give your body the right tools to heal. So ask yourself, if one drink a day could bring back your ability to move without pain, wouldn't it be worth a try?